In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plain text in Jotform. Whether you want to add instructions, a quick note, or a disclaimer to your form, you'll do this using Jotform's paragraph element. I'll walk you through the process from opening your form to previewing the final result, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the form you want to edit. Head over to jotform.com and sign in if you aren't already. From your dashboard, click My Forms to see your list of forms. Choose the form you want to update, then click Edit Form. This takes you into the form builder where you'll be able to make changes instantly. If you're working on a live form, it's a good idea to double check you're editing the correct version before proceeding. Next, add the paragraph field, which is Jotform's plain text block. On the left side, you'll see the toolbar with elements. Under Basic Elements, find Paragraph. Click and drag it into your form and drop it exactly where you want your text to appear. You can place it above a field to provide context, between sections to add notes, or at the end for a final message. If it isn't in the perfect spot, don't worry. You can drag it again to reposition it at any time. Think of it as a flexible text area just for content, not for collecting answers. Now edit the text. Click directly on the paragraph box in your form to start typing. This is where you can add instructions, reminders, friendly messages, disclaimers, or any text that guides your users. You'll see a toolbar that lets you format the content. You can use bold, italics, or underline to emphasize key points, adjust the font size and color to match your style, create bullets or a numbered list for clarity, and set alignment to left, center, or right. If you want it to be completely plain with no styling, simply type normally and avoid using the toolbar options. Keep your text concise and clear, and aim for consistent styling so it blends smoothly with the rest of your form. When you're ready to check your work, preview the form. Click Preview Form in the top right corner to see how the text appears to your users. This is a great moment to scan for readability, spacing, and any formatting you might want to refine. Try viewing it on different screen sizes to ensure it looks good on mobile as well. When you exit Preview, you can make any final edits. Jotform saves changes automatically, so you're all set. That's it, your plain text is added and ready to go.